No matter what chaos is happening around us, we can still choose peace. The world may feel heavy sometimes, and there are going to be hard days, unexpected struggles, fear, sickness, stress, and moments where we feel out of control. But as believers, we hold on to something greater than our fear. We hold on to Jesus. And the truth is, the worst outcome this world can offer us is death. And even death has no victory when we belong to Christ. Jesus promised he would never leave us nor forsake us. That promise alone brings peace, and that casts out fear. Not because life is perfect, but because we know who walks with us through it. Sometimes I mentally just have to tell myself, you're doing enough. You are enough. Peace in the home doesn't come from perfection. It comes from intentional choices. Small daily choices that protect the atmosphere of our homes and our heart. One thing we do is reduce clutter at all costs, because clutter doesn't just fill our house. Sometimes it fills our minds too. We've learned that owning less often creates more room for peace, clarity, and connection. Second, we use kind words. Life is already hard enough. Our home should be a safe place where encouragement, gentleness, and love are spoken loudly. The way we speak to each other matters deeply. Third, we give grace. We ask for understanding. None of us are perfect. We all make mistakes, and we all have overwhelming days. Choosing grace over constant criticism changes the feeling in the home completely. Fourth, we close down the house at night. We reset the kitchen. The kids tidy their rooms, not because our house has to look perfect, but because waking up to peace helps for a better next day. Lastly, we create systems that work for us. Not systems that look perfect online, systems that actually fit our family, our schedule, our season of life. Every home is different, and that's okay. At the end of the day, peace isn't built overnight. It's created little by little through faith, grace, love, and intentional habits. And no matter what the world throws at us, we know we can still choose to have peace. Stay so motivated, my friends, so encouraged. If you made it this far, go ahead and put a plug-in emoji in the comments. Bye for now.